It was devastating to hear the news. I always hoped that one day I could be able to go back to school, visit students and teachers. It would never happen.
Dawandi tse juju nizong julan jami tu jana jungi zenga tangde ngulu kuido yebi njime je tse meri leri lhara ang kajung shiri nobel halin gojobi nezu tunyo baji. Nga tsu tinga lhara ti nang to longo chigirin gigingi chale nanyu yuken tang tata California tinji shibi jari gi pumi jinjo la kauti lhara yi netang sugi tula jandi tongu shin shoyobe namba tsu sensi nangru.
My name is Ginger, and I am now living in California. I worked at the Jimmy Ginzon Vocational High School as an outsourced IT service engineer from 2018 to 2019. During my time there, I had opportunities to learn about the history of the school and witness the many challenges and suppressions it forced. It was devastating to hear the news of it closed, but I was not surprised, as there has been rumors about the school will be closed for a long time. There were two schools, one for monks and male students and one for nuns and female students. So by the time I worked there, I work in Raga town. It's where the school is. The female school had already been took over by the local government. It was said that the principal, Jimmy Ginzon, was forced to give up one of the school to prevent the government from shutting down both of them. So the local government has been trying to shut down the school that are not under their control, especially independent Tibetan language school, private school. And it's like everything is run by Tibetan. So under Xi Jinping's policy of erasing the ethnic language and cultures, those schools are seen as a threat. I don't think the school have posed any threat against the Chinese government. I think they are trying their best to survive under this policy. However, I don't think. So as I know, the principal endured immense pressure and had to negotiate with the local officers for years. Since I left school about 5 years ago, I have heard rumors of its closures many times. But this time it actually happened. Many school and students I know are heartbroken and cry in despair. So independent school can control the curriculum and the language of instruction, which undermine the colonial narrative and the history fabricated by the local government. This is directly opposed to current policy of eliminating the ethnic language education. When I work at the school, I stood with the teachers and the students, and I hope I can help preserving their culture and heritage as much as possible, despite the shrinking space for such effort. Eventually, I felt the risks increasing, and I decided to leave Tibet and China. I feel heartbroken and hopeless. I deeply miss the life in Tibet, Raga, and the schools and the teachers at schools. I always hoped that one day I could be able to go back to school, visit students and teachers, see all the friends again. I used to believe that this day would come with patience, but I realized recently that it would never happen.